Hello, Carlos. I'm happy to be here with you at the Costa Nova showroom. Can you please introduce yourself and let us know what you do at GRESTEL in Costa Nova?
Well, my name is Carlos Juan. I'm the sales director of Costa Nova, a company that belongs to GRESTEL. We have 3 factories in Portugal producing fine stoneware.
So, and Costa Nova, how does Costa Nova appear in the history of GRESTEL?
Well, GRESTEL started with the millennium, on the very beginning, and Costa Nova started slowly in 2005, and we are now spread all over the world in more than 50 countries. We are working in the hospitality and in retail.
So, and the hospitality business, is it a consequence of your retail presence?
It is. It is because we started, we were a factory mainly doing for home, but with our presence, for instance at Maison et Objet, people start approaching us looking for plates and other references for hospitality. It was the beginning of all this.
And the product mix, so you present different collections for different restaurants, styles and types. But as I can see in the brand's history, you started with your normal collections and you made a huge success in some restaurants that wanted to present food in a different way. So what collection would you say was the most important for the hospitality business in the beginning?
Well, when we started with no special production for hospitality. We started with our own lines that we selling at that time on the retail, and we have a lot of success with the collections still now, a little bit more traditional, if you can say, a little bit more casual, like Alentejo or like Frieze. Frieze is really a collection that less is more. It's very interesting, and it is still a huge success. Maybe it is nowadays, after 10 years, still the best seller in hospitality.
In all markets?
Generally, yes.
Yes. So, but from those traditional collections, the brand has evolved to some collections that are actually made for hospitality, like this one we are here next to.
Yeah, that's true. This is a signed collection by a German designer, Carsten Gollnick. This is the first one. We already have 2 made by him, and it is going really well on the hospitality business, and also we are doing well in some concept stores.
This collection is Roda. It was designed by Torres Euracini, a Portuguese designer. What can you tell us about this collection?
Well, this collection lives of 2 important things, as most of them, but here we want to emphasize the shape is a very flat shape. What is nice, although it has a very good behavior on shipping for hospitality, and also from the glaze. This is not a normal white glaze. This is very interesting. And also, Euracini made also some other glazes very different to go with the white. This is called the color Irish. And all this made this collection so special in hospitality.
So, and it's a very big collection. It's a very extensive proposition for restaurants.
It is because the more success we see, the more pieces we develop, so that it becomes more complete. And also we have special demands from some chefs, and when we see there are several demands from here and there, then we develop new shapes accordingly.
Yes, as I can see also, it's very modern, and at the same time it shall fit other different types of restaurants because it presents a lot of shapes and colors.
It is, because if you go to a more fancy restaurant, for instance, the black, this is not really a black, it's a kind of an anthracite, a kind of graphite. It is very interesting. And we can also go to more, let's say, more classic restaurants with the white. And so there is a huge range of restaurants that can take along this collection.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you, Carlos.
Thank you.
So another collection, Nova, and as I can see, Nova has also propositions for coffee shops, tea houses.
Yes, actually it is. One of the important characteristics of this collection is that it has a very organic shape, it's kind of natural. And if we put together retail and hospitality, this is our best seller, no doubt.
And this one, what can you tell me about
this? Is coming back to our very beginning, where I told about our best seller worldwide in hospitality, this is Friso. And Friso, as I said before, is less is more, because it's a very simple shape, although it's different. It has just this detail. And this is the huge success of the collection that we also are doing in grey and green.
So about Friso, besides of course being a white canvas, and I'm sure it will present food beautifully, what about the resistance? This is something that's really important for the hospitality.
It is. It is. Besides the good shipping performance, also the glaze is very good for metal marking and so on. So we have thousands and thousands worldwide of these plates, and the behavior is fantastic.
Okay. So and now, I guess you are introducing us with something really new in first hands. What can you say about this, well, amazing and surprising shaped collection?
It is really brand new. This will be launched in next January. This is again designed by Carsten Gollnick, our German friend. And it goes a little bit on the extreme side of the COSTA NOVA collection. It is very sophisticated and a lot of design. And this is something that we are doing with Carsten because of the demand we have from hospitality, something a little bit more peculiar, a little bit more designed, more sophisticated. So that's it.
So, and the shape is really surprising. I am sure that chefs will be very thrilled to work with this kind of plates. But you also have propositions for starters and appetizers, which is really nice.
Yes, we do, like that one or this one for appetizers, you say, sauces and so on. And also, we already made some photo shooting with this line with some chefs, and the food really comes up beautiful.
Yes, we can see there a beautiful presentation.
Yes.
And here, something also new?
Yes, this is something that we haven't done before by purpose, because we have in every collections we have platters and bakers and whatever. But here we try to make something like more like a buffet, and this is something also that is the hospitality customers are looking for, and they expect from us to do something like this. We have bakers with lids, kind of casseroles, bigger or smaller. We have these risers for these trays, or these canisters for oil or for olives or honey, like the smaller one. So this completes in a way the collections we have, and so we now have a huge range of collections that fit into any atmosphere, into any decoration.
Yes, so ambar and boutique to be presented in January.
Next January, that's right.
Thank you, Carlos.
You're welcome.